Does the White House have any reaction to Governor DeSantis, and particularly to his point that this is just seasonal in Florida because people are hot, so they're staying indoors and transmitting the vaccine?
Well, the data just doesn't back that up. I would say first, Florida is not the only state. 7 states have both a statewide ban on mask mandates and a prohibition on school districts from requiring masks in schools. And some states have even banned businesses and universities from requiring workers and students to be vaccinated. In fact, the most extreme of these measures is in Texas, where you can be fined. A professor or teacher can be fined if they ask a student if they are vaccinated, or if they ask unvaccinated students to wear masks. And I think the fundamental question we have is, what are we doing here? And the president, you'll hear the president talk a little bit about this later this afternoon. His message is going to be, we're all in this fight together, whether it's a Democratic or Republican governor. And I will note, most Republican governors are doing exactly the right thing and advocating for and taking steps to advocate for more people to get vaccinated. But if you aren't going to help, if you aren't going to abide by public health guidance, then get out of the way and let people do the right thing to lead in their communities, whether they are teachers, university leaders, private sector leaders, or others who are trying to save lives.
And beyond sending messages like the president will do later today, what is the administration doing to actually communicate or work directly with some of these state officials?
Sure. Well, I would first say that we are continuing to send surge teams out, and we are in touch with a range of states and leaders in those states about how we can provide assistance that's going to help them directly. So let me give you an example, or a couple of examples, I should say, of some of the states that have been hardest hit. We've actively been engaged with the governor's office in Florida to describe and offer federal support in areas like testing, increasing vaccine confidence, monitoring hospital capacity, which we've seen the Florida Hospital Association speak to their concerns about the rising numbers, and monoclonal antibody therapeutics. Teams from CDC and HHS are in contact with Florida officials to offer technical assistance and support. We're also engaged with the governor's office in Texas and the state health department to discuss the state of the pandemic there and how we can offer specific assistance, as well as Louisiana. I mean, you saw the governor make an announcement about masks yesterday, but as a part of our National Disaster Medical System program, we've deployed a team of 33 medical personnel to provide medical staff surge capacity to the Baton Rouge, Louisiana area. So those are just a couple of examples of some of the hardest hit states. But we, again, Jeff Zients, our COVID coordinator, sent out a letter to all 50 governors offering federal assistance, offering assistance, and offering to work in close touch about how we can help address the needs they have.
Thanks for watching Bloomberg Quicktake Now. Subscribe to our channel to see the biggest stories the moment they happen from around the world, and tune in to our 24/7 live stream for global news coverage, interviews, deep dives, shows, and documentaries on the stories you care about.